here is my chicken, this is my tacos, and this is my salad. And add some chicken first. And add some salad. Fresh salad. Some olives. Okay friends, here's our taco ready. Everything is done. It looks delicious. Hello friends, this is Naqib from Veg Spicy Recipes. I hope you'll find it healthy. Today I want to make Taco Mexicana. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please subscribe our channel, like, comment, share our videos. Thank you for watching. Let's start. So my 200 gram cornmeal flour, 100 gram all-purpose flour, my oil, add water as required. Now I'm going to add some salt. Okay, so the dough is hard. Rest it for at least 20 minutes. Salt as required. Cumin 2 spoons. Crushed coriander seeds 2 spoons. Special chicken masala 3 spoons. Turmeric powder 1 spoon. Red chili powder 1 spoon. Black pepper 1 spoon. Now it's time to mix the chicken and the ingredients. Okay friends, my chicken also ready. I have mixed all the ingredients. Now it's time to fry the chicken. In a pan, add some oil. Keep the heat medium and add chopped garlic and ginger. My chopped onions. Serve onions till onions are brown. Keep the heat medium. So in the medium heat, I'm going to add the chicken. In low heat, fry the chicken. Okay friends, my chicken also ready, and now it's time to make tacos. Okay friends, after 20 minutes my dough is ready to make tacos. First take some of the dough. It is not shaped well. For now I have made this. In a pan, take some oil. Okay friends, now add the taco. Okay friends, when it is fried a little bit, so with anything, do just like this. Keep it for at least 1 minute. Okay friends, my taco also ready. Now it's time to make the salad for the tacos. My chopped coriander, fresh coriander, my chopped cucumbers, my chopped tomatoes, my chopped lettuce, my chopped fresh chilies, here is my chicken, this is my tacos, and this is my salad. I'll add some chicken first. We add some salad. Some olives. Okay friends, we have cooked our tacos. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe our channel, like, comment, share our videos. Thank you for watching.